and then Vivo mobile. I'm making my cost is 22,000. Okay, now when you click on a submit, it comes to here. Hold on a second, it got hanged. See, you have a written view, that's it. Okay, now here I need to write a code saying that to call the update method, update product request. So to update product request, what need to do? Can anyone tell me? First thing, I need to create a contract. Here I need to create a contract. How I can create a contract? Void update product update request of request. This is the contract you have to put. If you have a contract like this, you need to implement the service or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So here, right click, quick reference, implement interface. Now, if you go here, you see there is an update product. Implementation is coming. Now here, receive the request if product update request not equal to null. Right? If the product update, if request not equal to null. Okay, if the request is not equal to null, create a product model. Model equal to new of model. New of which model? Product model. And you need to map ID equal to request.product ID. Name equal to request.product name, comma, description, comma, cost equal to request.cost. Okay, you prepared a model, say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The moment you prepare the model, do you need to calculate the GST of this model?
Yes, sir. Need to calculate GST.
So what is your signature of the GST calculation? Create GST. If you look into that, it is an add request. It is expecting a product model. Okay, you are also passing the same product model from your update. Say yes or no. Now here, you say model equal to create GST of product model. Sorry, create GST of
Model.
What will happen? For update, it is also having the same method. For create product, also having the same method. Am I right or wrong? If you look into here, go here, right click, find all reference. You see how many methods are accessing this model? Two methods. One is create product method as well as update product method. This individual method can accessed by two different methods. Or you got my point? So this is how you have to write the methods. And now come back. Once the GST has been prepared, what is your next step? What is your next step? You need to update this into database. This dot product db context dot products dot update. What it is expecting? It is expecting a model, and then this dot db context dot save changes. Okay. Immediately this model will get updated in the database. The moment the model is get updated in the database, this method can be accessed in your controller. Okay, how you are going to call that method? Simply like this. I'm not doing anything. Once it has been successful, what is our next plan? The updated record should be redirect to the index action method. Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Srinivasan, are you there? Just a second. Sorry, guys. Okay. Now, once you get the update request, it automatically redirect to the actions. Now you see here, now you go here, click edit. Now you make Vivo mobile. Okay. And I can say here Vivo mobile description. You say here 18,000 and then click submit. Now, if you see the request, all the changes what you made is here available or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Venu,
Yes,
Jafar,
sir.
Anjali,
Yes, sir.
Narendra,
Yes, sir.
Yoganand.
Whatever we did modified, here we can see the data.
Whatever we modified,
The
the
data
data will be automatically updated. Great. Now, what you will do? You go to product service. Now you see here, the product service update product will come to the service call. Now go back to F11. Now you see, currently seeing the request, whether it is null or not. If it is not null, it will come and create a model. Now you see. Model is preparing. Now you see the product model has all the data.
Yes.
Now it required GST and total cost. Because of the method, the model, the create GST model will get all the methods for you. You see, all the data has been filled in the model object.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then to call the context update, save changes. Now go back, it will call your return action. So the one which I modified is changed or not?
Yes, sir.
You see here, there is a change happened or not? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is how it has to work. Anybody have any questions so far? We are already done. If you look into here, let me create another product one by one. Yeah, done everything. Controller also I'm removing. Now see, the entire CRUD operation will work here. First, I create a product. I'm saying Samsung X200 mobile series. Okay. And copying description. Some description you want to add. So saying 25,000. Now click submit. Is it added?
Yes, sir.
Now I want to make an edit. I'm saying series 2025. And I'm changing series 2025. And then I'm changing here 30,000. And then click submit. Series updated?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's
Yes,
updated.
sir.
Yes, sir.
That's all. We done the CRUD operation. We
Sir.
done the CRUD operation of MVC core.
Yes, sir.
Everybody.
Yes, sir.
But I want to update an image here. I want to create an image. How to do that? Anyone can tell me how to do that? What is my first step to add an image?
First, upload the images on create screen.
Before upload the image, my first step is go to your product model. My first step is go to the product model. Here I say
Added. Okay.
public string
For image.
image file
Gets
path. Okay, this is the first thing you have to do. If it is string, you have to make nullable string. Now build the project. Once you build the project, I need to go back to my package console. I need to update my table changes. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Because the column need to be added in my database. To add column in my database, what you need to do?
Update.
Add hyphen migration product underscore v2. What is this v2? Version.
Was.
A migration file will be created.
Migration product.
So here you are already having some migration. I need to remove the migration. So you need to do first remove hyphen migration. So now this migration object is removed. Now if you go to the Solution Explorer, under migration, the file has been removed. This particular version migration is removed. Now what you need to do? Go to the package manage console. Just go v2.
Migration product.
Okay, now you go here, you see in the migration product v2, you see there is a product has been added. File path is added as a column.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the update. Now go back to package manage console, update hyphen database. Enter. This migration will be updated in the package. Now you see, executed or not?
Yes, sir.
Only the changed migration tables will be get updated, not all the things. But you got my point. Now, how do I confirm? SSMS, SQL Server I'm opening. Yoganand always enjoying driving and watching the classes.
No, sir, today I'm working from home.
But who is having a car sound?
Sir?
Somebody is having a car sound. Now you see the database. This is the one we used, and this is the table we used. And this is the table we used, and this is the column we used. You see there is an image file path.
Yes, sir.
It is created or not?
Created.
That is how we need to. Okay, now come back. Now I done with this model. I done with this my key and everything. Now what is my next step? I go to solution. I have to take a model of add. Here I'm going to have public I file path.
And
What is the name? Hold on a second. I need to use a namespace using system.http. Hold on. I'll take the code, only one code from other places. Don't make me mistake. Go here. Microservice. This is batch 2. Microservice batch. Source code. Product application. This is the one I created, right? Yeah, model. This is the one, right? Click. Not here. Let's take the add request. Right click. Open with Notepad. Yeah. Now, you see iForm file. Okay. Go here. Public iForm. You see there is an iForm file. Form file. Image path. I'll tell you why I'm using this form file. Hello.
yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Good morning. Here I'm saying required error message. What message? Error message equal to image file is mandatory. Right? Now, this image path, I supposed to add in the UI or not? I supposed to add this image in UI path image in image
Yes,
or
sir.
not? Say yes or no.
Image.
Okay, so go to your create index.cshtml. Here, to copy this div, enter. Here you simply say this image path ASP for product image, and here you say type file. That's all. You are not making any changes. You are making, see, you are making 3 changes. The first change you are making is what? Where you are making a change? In the
Model.
product model. Okay. There, what you are saying, you are creating a string of file path. Once you've done that, you are executing the entity framework migration, right? Say yes or no. Are you making a migration or not? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anjali, Ali, everybody. You are making a migration or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once you make the migration, in the add request, you are not using the string. You are using an interface which has been derived from HTTP file path. Or you got my point. So what you need to do? Using
Giving
Microsoft dot ASP.NET Core dot HTTP is your namespace. Okay, this form file will comes from that here. Okay, by default form file will come. Now build the project. Now go to your controller, go to your create post method. Okay, put a breakpoint here, run it. Now click create product, iPhone something, from 21,000. Now you see there is a package is looking for product image. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Click on it. Take the image. When you click a submit, this entire image should be read. Now you see image path is null. Why? What is the reason?
Folder,
Image
sir.
path is not getting the form file.
Sir, we should to create a folder for the image.
Forget about the first request us to receive the form, right? Then only we need to create a logic inside it. It is not happening. I know the reason. Can anyone talk about it? In your HTML of create, what you written?
post.
But you need to have one more type equal to, no, not type. I forget, man, shit. Hold on. There is a multi-part property. That property will do that. You see? This is the one you need to update. Whenever you are submitting any form data, you need to add this. Understand my point? So this one will accept files from the client to server. You understand?
Okay, sir.
See, if you can post the data with the form method. If you have like this without any file or any image, you can directly post the data to your server. But how to identify the posted data is valid or not? Use this. Now you try this. This will accept that form data and give it to the bind it to the request object model of form file. Now you see. Piyush, where are you from?
I am from Bihar, Patna.
Okay. Create product, iPhone, cost is 23,000. Choose file, phone, submit. Now you see, you got the form file. See here. Earlier it is null. Now it is created an instance of form file or not?
Yes, sir.
Everybody. Hey, unmute and talk. All are known people only. Unmute.
Yes, sir. Here we
Yes,
can.
sir.
Now see how beautiful it is. Now you go here. You see the image name, everything I'm getting.
Yes, sir.
You got the image name and everything or not?
Yes, sir.
But I want to store the image in your Solution Explorer here. Here I need to store in the project, and then that path need to be stored in the database. Anyone can implement that change tomorrow and give me today? Who's going to do that? I'm giving an assignment. I received an image.
Okay.
Okay. Before I have to store that image into the database, first I need to store the image in root folder, because the static files only served in www root folder. Am I right or wrong? If I put anywhere in the project, it will not serve. Only it will serve in the root folder. So you have to store the image in root folder. That path you need to store it in the database. Can you do that?
I will try, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who will try that?
Everyone must.
Everyone. Okay. So do it and send me by today, end of the day. Tomorrow we can implement based on your input. Shall we do that?
Yeah, yes.
I can write that. That is not a problem. But I want you guys to try.
Sir,
if
one
you're
doubt,
facing issues, what's up?
sir. Here, create time only automatically when we create, correct? That time automatically it will be saved in database. Before saving the database, we need to maintain one folder in www root static files. Under we need to save that file. Then only after that it will save it in database. That's a requirement, sir. Correct?
Yes, you are 100% correct.
Okay.
See, always you have to save the file here in this particular folder, and that folder path you need to save in the database. While retrieving, you will get the path from the database based on the file availability.
Yes.
Or you got my point? If the file
Yes,
is
sir.
not available, what will happen?
It's not. It will throw errors.
It will not throw error. The image image will not be loaded your file.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay.
Product image will not be loaded. Right? That is not a right design, right?
Correct. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is the practicality. Can you try it and let me know?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.